Alright, so I'm on my phase 2 right now. FundingPips has sent me my phase 2. And by the way, these are 3 accounts I'm trading at the same time. So if this trade I took here hit full TP, then that means I pass all my phase 2, basically 300k max funded. What if I use the magnet strategy to pass this one? Magnet with hammer, you push the price to the upside with the hammer, and then the magnet try to attract it. And anyway, just for fun. But let's see. I just hope that this trade hit full TP. If it does hit full TP, then I'm max funded, and it takes about 4 days to get the live account, 2 days for review, and then 2 days for onboarding. And I think by Monday or Tuesday next week I should be able to get my live account. And my live account, you guys let me know below the comment section if you want me to record the live account as well, the trade I take on the live account. I'm gonna go for 10k payout on each of the account, meaning I'll be making 30k, bro. 30k, just imagine if I make 30k, bro. Oh my god, the owner will be so happy. Yeah, God is doing his thing. And by the way, I chose the winners of the last giveaway. You guys are probably gonna have your account today, right? Yeah, you'll receive your 5k account today. And for this video I'm recording right here, I'm not gonna do a giveaway on this one, but once I do get my live account, and if I do secure the payout, then I will buy a free probably 5 or 10k account for you guys. And the account, like the winner that I'm gonna choose for the giveaway, for if I do get the payout on this account, we are going live. Okay, I'm gonna go live with the person will trade in front of me the way I did here, to see how you guys are trading, because you guys asking me a lot for free account, but I truly want to know exactly how you guys trading. If you guys are trading really well, then I would definitely give away more account. So yeah, feel free to stay with me, participate as much as you can, and obviously when it comes to giveaway, I'm gonna check out pretty much every single video that I posted here, the comment section, the reaction with everything. If you guys can also, maybe if you can clip these videos I'm making here and post on your social media, if it's TikTok, Instagram, post and tag me. If I see a very good clip that I like it, I would probably gonna reward you guys as well, probably with some money, $50 or $100, so you can use it to buy your account as well. I truly want to help you guys, but I can only help you if you guys are helping me too. Okay, and before I end this, I want to make sure here that, like, this trade I've taken on this series for you guys, I did not send to my Signal group. The reason I did not send is because when I make a series, I take a lot of position, and some of you guys don't know how to handle losses. If I send like 2 losses or 3 losses in a day, you guys really like Astuce takes a lot of losses. So I always make sure I send about 2 to 3 setups a week, and so far this week I've sent only 1 setup, which was a stop loss. But overall this month, the month wasn't bad. At the end of the month, like I think by tomorrow or next tomorrow, I'm gonna share the result of the Signal group to you guys. But yeah, it wasn't a bad month. I mean, it was pretty okay, but as I'm saying, I did not share any of this trade to the Signal, just because I don't want to be accused of copy trading, one thing. And secondly is the trade I've taken here, you can see this trade have been taken on the 1 minute chart, and some of them, I think on the phase 1 I even took a trade on the 15-second Asia session. So it's the type of trade that you cannot just share entries. When I get trades on the high time frame, that's the one I do. So I want to make sure here before you guys come and call me scammers and stuff. So yeah, I want to make sure of that. So anyway, I just want you guys to learn from these videos, so you know exactly what it takes to pass challenge. Like there's a lot of things behind emotion, and discipline, psychology, everything, because one mistake, everything can go. If this trade I took right here, if I over leverage, and if that was a stop loss, then I could have lost all my account. Anyway, the trade is going to full TP. I'm really happy, very happy, and I hope. Thank you, TP, full TP. Let's go. You see this? All I need to do is refresh this. There you go. Phase 1 pass, phase 2 pass. Everything has been recorded. As you can see, this is how you trade challenge. when I trade challenge, I don't have emotion. I don't have emotion. I follow rules. Take a trade, wait for TP. TP doesn't hit, go on, you know. Oh man, I can't believe. I truly can't believe. Max funded, bro. Literally max funded. And the setup was pretty simple, you know. You just follow market structure. Even if this move kind of scared me. Yeah. The hammer and magnet strategy works. You guys see it. It works. It works like magic. You see, price still moving. Oh man. So right here, I'm back max funded. You know, it doesn't take that long. So yeah, this is pretty much how you trade, you know. By the way, if you guys want to learn my strategy the same way I traded, got funded 300k funding within 1 day. Check the link below this video to join my mentorship if that's what you want. Learn the best strategy. Or if you just want to trade with FundingPips, feel free to use my coupon code AstuceFX. Is gonna give you 20% off on your first purchase. So now my next target is funding tick. If I took the same buy on my funding tick account, I could have passed it too, you know. But this funding tick, there's something wrong with it, because till now the account are not refreshing. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like that.